You have owned your BMW for years. You drive it carefully, you keep it clean, and you bring it in for scheduled maintenance. But there is a silent countdown happening under your hood right now, and it has absolutely nothing to do with how you drive. After decades working on these exact cars, I will tell you a hard truth. The worst, most expensive repair bills I see in my shop almost never come from reckless drivers. They come from careful, experienced drivers. Drivers who simply did not know about BMW's hidden engineering quirks. These are not things you are doing wrong. These are critical details the manufacturer buried in technical manuals that nobody reads. And ignoring them? That can easily turn into a $2,000 to $3,000 repair bill before you even notice a single warning light on your dashboard. By the time the car actually tells you something is wrong, you are already paying for the damage. Today, I am walking you through the 5 things every BMW owner needs to check once a month. No tools required, no mechanical background needed. And stay until the end because the last one is a completely free 5-minute visual check that prevents a catastrophic electrical failure. I guarantee your dealer has never warned you about it. Let us get into it. Number 5. The tire pressure illusion. You get in your BMW, you look at the dashboard, and there are no warning lights. You assume your tires are perfectly inflated because the car has a tire pressure monitoring system. That system is incredibly smart, but it has trained an entire generation of careful drivers to completely stop checking their tires manually. Relying on that dashboard light is a costly mistake. Here is what the technical manual does not make obvious. That warning light is an emergency alert. It is not a daily maintenance tool. By the time that light actually illuminates, you have already been driving on significantly underinflated tires for a long time. And here is the hidden trap. The weather alone silently steals your air. For every 10-degree drop in outside temperature, your tires lose about 1 pound of pressure. If you set your tire pressure in the heat of July and you are still driving on that same air in the chill of November, you are running noticeably low. When a heavy performance-tuned vehicle like a BMW drives on low tires, it does not just wear the rubber out faster. The edges of the tire take all the weight instead of the center. This generates massive amounts of friction and heat deep inside the tire structure, slowly weakening the sidewalls. It also changes how the car handles during a sudden highway stop, and you will not feel that loss of control until you actually need the brakes to save you. A full set of replacement tires for a BMW will cost you between $800 and $1,200. Once a month, ignore the dashboard. Stop at a gas station, grab a standard mechanical tire gauge, and check all 4 wheels. The correct pressure numbers are printed on a sticker inside the driver's side door frame. That is a physical problem you can measure. But the next item on our list secretly tricks your car's computer into thinking the engine is failing, sending perfectly good cars to the repair shop every single week. Number 4. The phantom engine codes. You have been driving for decades, and you know exactly what a dying battery looks like. You turn the key, the engine cranks slowly, or you just hear a rapid clicking sound. But modern BMWs do not fail like the trucks and sedans we drove back in the 90s. Instead, they give you fake emergencies. Imagine starting your car on a cold Tuesday morning. Suddenly, the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. You see an ABS warning, a stability control malfunction, and a transmission fault all at once. It looks like a catastrophic mechanical failure, and your mind immediately jumps to a $3,000 repair bill. But 9 times out of 10, none of those mechanical systems are actually broken. Here is what is really happening inside that complex electrical architecture. Your BMW has dozens of individual computers running constantly in the background. They require a perfectly stable, high-voltage power supply to operate. As your battery gets older, it degrades slowly over months, not overnight. When that voltage drops even slightly below the factory threshold, those sensitive computer modules do not get enough power to boot up correctly, so they panic and trigger a fault code. The mechanical systems are perfectly fine, Their sensors are just starving for electricity. A lazy mechanic will plug in a scanner, read those codes, and quote you $1,500 to replace an electronic control module. Do not authorize that repair. First, drive to any local auto parts store and ask them to run a free load test on your battery. If the health is below 60%, spend $200 on a high-quality replacement battery. I have seen that simple swap instantly clear every single warning light on a car that was supposedly ruined. A misdiagnosed module is expensive, but keep watching because at the end of this video, I will show you how a single fallen leaf can do twice that much electrical damage in total silence. Before we move on, if this practical inside knowledge is helping you understand your car better, a quick like helps Core Car reach more experienced drivers who need to protect their wallets. Now, let us get to the engine habits that really matter. Number 3, the short trip carbon trap. If you are retired or working from home, your driving habits have probably changed. You are taking shorter trips, a 5-minute drive to the hardware store, 10 minutes to grab coffee, or just running quick errands around town. Your car might look immaculate on the outside, but those short trips are secretly suffocating your engine on the inside. Here is the mechanical reality. When you start a cold engine, the computer runs a rich fuel mixture, meaning more fuel and less air to help the heavy metal components warm up quickly. But on a short drive, the engine block never actually reaches its full operating temperature. When an engine does not get hot enough on a regular basis, the unburned carbon from that rich fuel mixture does not burn off. Instead, it bakes onto your intake valves, building up like thick, sticky soot inside a chimney. Over time, that carbon chokes the engine's ability to breathe. You will start to notice a rough idle, pure fuel economy, and a frustrating hesitation when you press the gas pedal. Cleaning that thick carbon out requires a specialized service called walnut blasting, where a mechanic physically blasts the engine valves clean using high-pressure air and crushed walnut shells. That service will easily cost you between $500 and $900. The solution costs absolutely nothing. Once a month, take your BMW out on the highway for a steady 30-minute drive. Give the engine enough time to get completely hot and stay there. That sustained heat naturally burns off the carbon deposits, evaporates internal moisture, and keeps the engine breathing exactly the way the engineers intended. I had a customer last year, a retired architect. He drove his pristine sedan maybe 3 miles a day. It started idling rough, and another shop quoted him $1,200 for a new set of fuel injectors. I told him to hold off and just take a long, uninterrupted drive down the interstate for an hour. He called me on Monday to say the car was running perfectly again. Sometimes the most effective maintenance tool is just an open road. Let us keep going. That takes care of your internal engine components, but the next item on our list involves a hidden factory specification that actually expects your engine to lose oil and how you can catch it from the driver's seat. Number 2, the hidden consumption specification. You grew up learning that if a car is burning oil, something is mechanically wrong with it. So as long as you do not see a puddle on your garage floor or blue smoke coming from the exhaust, you assume your engine oil is perfectly fine until your next scheduled oil change. But modern BMW engines do not play by those traditional rules. Here is a fact buried deep in the engineering technical documents. BMW actually designed these engines to consume a specific amount of oil between regular service intervals. It is completely normal for this engine, and it is part of their own engineering specification. But here is the dangerous trap. By the time the low oil warning light illuminates on your dashboard, you have already been driving with significantly less oil than the engine needs for optimal lubrication. When the oil level drops that low, the remaining oil has to work twice as hard. It degrades faster, it runs much hotter, and it leaves your critical engine components, like your expensive turbocharger, with almost zero margin for error. Running near that warning threshold silently accelerates internal wear every single time you start the car. The good news is, you do not even need to open the hood or look for a dipstick. The manufacturer built a digital oil level check right into your dashboard screen. But they rarely tell owners to use it regularly. On most models, just use your center console dial to go to Vehicle Information, then Vehicle Status, and select Engine Oil Level. It takes 30 seconds and tells you exactly where you stand. Do this once a month proactively. If it reads low, add a single quart of the correct approved oil. You are protecting a $10,000 engine block for the cost of a $12 bottle of oil. If you learned something new today, drop a quick like, because while engine blocks are tough, the final item on our list attacks the fragile electronic heart of your car. It is the single most overlooked check, and it is the one that causes the most unnecessary damage. Number 1. The silent ECU killer. You have kept your car in great shape. You follow the maintenance schedule, you listen for strange noises, and you wash it regularly. Maybe you park it in your driveway under a shade tree, or maybe it just sits outside during the autumn months. You probably think the worst thing those falling leaves are doing is making your paint look a little dirty. But those leaves, combined with everyday dirt, are quietly setting up a catastrophic electrical failure that could cost more than the car is actually worth. Here is the hidden design feature that catches almost every long-term owner off guard. Your BMW was engineered with a complex, hidden network of drainage channels built directly into the metal body structure. There is a specific wide channel located at the base of your windshield, just beneath the plastic grille, which is called the cowl. If you have a sunroof, there is another hidden track running all the way around the metal frame. These channels are engineered to catch heavy rainwater and safely route it down through small, narrow rubber tubes, eventually emptying out harmlessly underneath the vehicle. But here is exactly how the trap closes. Over years of parking outside, those narrow rubber drain tubes get completely choked with pine needles, fine dirt, and decaying organic buildup. It acts like a cork in a wine bottle. When the next heavy rainstorm hits, or even when you take the car through a high-pressure automatic car wash, the water has absolutely nowhere to drain. It backs up, quickly fills the hidden channel to the brim, and spills over the edge. But it does not spill onto the ground. It spills directly into your enclosed cabin. It silently soaks into the thick passenger side carpet padding, creating a damp environment you might not notice for weeks. Even worse, in many models, that overflowing water drips directly onto the main engine control unit, the central gateway module, or the interior fuse box. Pure rainwater and sensitive high-voltage German electronics do not mix. Once those circuit boards get saturated, they short out permanently. I have seen beautiful, well-maintained cars towed into my shop with $3,000 to $4,000 in catastrophic water damage. They required full electrical wiring harness replacements, mold remediation, and brand new computer modules, all because of a single handful of wet leaves that the owner never knew to look for. To prevent this, you need to do a 5-minute visual inspection once a month, especially in the spring and fall. Open your hood and look closely at the plastic cowl at the base of the windshield. Reach in and pull out any debris with your bare hands. Open your sunroof all the way and wipe out the tracks with a damp cloth. You can even pour a small cup of water into the sunroof channel and look under the car to confirm it drains out behind the front wheels. It requires absolutely no tools, no mechanic, and it is completely free. This single 5-minute habit is exactly why my own personal vehicles, some with well over 250,000 miles on the odometer, still have their original untouched factory electronics. Keeping the water outside the car is the absolute best electrical insurance you can possibly have. How many of these 5 checks were you already doing? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If this video saved you an expensive trip to the mechanic, subscribing to Core Car is absolutely worth it. Every video we make is designed to keep more money in your pocket. But before you go, there is one more thing most drivers get completely wrong. Core Car's next video covers the premium fuel myths quietly costing you at every fill-up. It is right here. Do not miss it.